These thermal and thermocol DIY object videos are going absolutely crazy all over social media right now. The craziest part, this niche is still incredibly new, meaning most people don't even know it exists yet. Watch what I personally created with AI in just 2 minutes. No time wasted, let's break down the exact free workflow. First, head to the description below and copy our master prompt. Open ChatGPT, paste the entire block, and hit send. Within seconds, ChatGPT generates 10 unique, highly realistic foam carving concepts. If you want more, type more for another fresh batch of viral options. We're going with option number 6, the bald eagle perched on rock. Reply with number 6 and the system automatically generates your tailored rendering prompt. Copy the full video prompt from ChatGPT and open Google Flow. Toggle to video mode, set your vertical aspect ratio, and select OmniFlash as your engine. Do not skip that step. Paste the video prompt into the box and hit generate. Give it about a minute to process the complex material physics. Within just a few seconds, Google Flow delivers your complete viral Thermocol DIY object video right in front of you, fully finished and ready to post. Let's watch the full result together. Repeat the workflow for new ideas and scale your channel. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss the next viral AI niche before it gets saturated.